A linear equation in two variables. Let us consider a linear equation x plus 3y equal to 12. Its solution means the value of x, y which satisfies the equation. In order to find such values, we can replace one of the variable or put one variable some values and find the corresponding values of second variable. So here first I am giving x equal to 0. Then 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. That means we have to replace x by 0 in the given equation. That is 3y is equal to 12. Then what is y? Y equal to 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. So x equal to 0, y equal to 4. Next I am going to give x equal to 1. Then 1 plus 3y is equal to 12. So 3y is equal to 12 minus 1 equal to 11. So y is equal to 11 by 3. So x equal to 1, y equal to 11 by 3. Next I am going to give x equal to 3. Then 3 plus 3y is equal to 12. 3y is equal to 12 minus 3, that is equal to 9. Then y is equal to 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. So which is the solution? X equal to 3, y equal to 3 is the next solution. In this way, we can find infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. Let us consider another equation. 2x minus y is equal to 5. Here I am giving values for y. Then find the value, corresponding value of x. So first I am put y is equal to 1. Then 2x minus y means it is 1. 2x minus 1 equal to 5. So 2x equal to 5 minus 1 becomes plus 1. So 2x is equal to 6, x equal to 3. So one solution, x equal to 3, y equal to 1. Next put y is equal to 2. Then 2x minus 2 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 5. See, minus 2 becomes plus 2. 2x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 by 2 or 3.5. So next solution, x equal to 3.5, y is equal to 2. Let us discuss another question. Let x equal to 1, y equal to 2 is a solution of the equation 2x plus ky is equal to 8. Then find the value of k. See, x equal to 1, y equal to 2 is a solution of this equation. That means if we replace x by 1 and y by 2, we will get the answer 8. So let us replace, put x equal to 2, x equal to 1. X equal to 1, y equal to 2 in the given equation. So 2x becomes 2 into 1 plus ky means k into 2 is equal to 8. 2 into 1 means 2. K into 2 means it is 2k is equal to 8. Now we have to find the value of k. So keep the term containing k on the LHS. Take the other number to right side. Then it becomes 8 minus 2. That is 2k is equal to 6. So k is equal to 3. One more question. X equal to 2, y equal to negative 1 is a solution of the equation kx plus y equal to 3. Then find the value of k. So you have to replace x by 2, y by negative 1 in the equation. So k into 2 plus y means negative 1 is equal to 3. Or 2k minus 1 is equal to 3. 2k is equal to 3 plus 1. Because we have to find the value of k, so you have to keep the term containing k in left side. So 2k is equal to 4 implies k is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So k is equal to 2. Okay. Okay, children.